Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect QuickBooks to mileage tracking for vehicle deductions. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect QuickBooks to mileage tracking for vehicle deductions, start by opening QuickBooks on your device. Navigate to the main dashboard where you'll find various options. Click on the Apps menu located in the left sidebar. In the Apps section, look for the Find Apps search bar. Type in mileage tracking in the search bar and press Enter. Browse the list of available apps that offer mileage tracking. Select an app that is compatible with QuickBooks and meets your needs. Click the Get App Now button to initiate the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect the app to your QuickBooks account. You may be prompted to sign in to your QuickBooks account to authorize the app. Grant any necessary permissions that the app requests. Once the app is successfully connected, set up your vehicle profiles within the mileage tracking app. Enter relevant details about your vehicle, including make, model, and year. Next, create your mileage categories based on your business needs. Make sure to update your app settings to automatically track your mileage. Start driving to accumulate mileage data that can be used for deductions. Periodically log into the mileage tracking app to review your recorded trips. Export the mileage data to QuickBooks when you are ready to claim your deductions. In QuickBooks, ensure that the mileage entries appear correctly in your expenses. Utilize these entries when preparing your tax deductions or financial reports. Confirm that all information is accurate to maximize your deductions. You're now ready to take advantage of mileage deductions seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.